Something that I should have done when I did my video earlier, it's a good idea to start with your light first, because you can always cover over it with dark. You might need 2 coats on some of this stuff. So, I'm doing the tummy. Look at the picture, I'm painting the white first. And you'll have these visuals at your seat to use. When you're using acrylics, remember you don't want to add water. You want to shake them. Probably going to need 2 coats. Like I said, it dries quickly. I have a small round brush, which I really like. Now, if you notice, the brown covers a lot better on the this light blue than the white does. So some of this you won't necessarily need 2 coats. Let's see how I can come back in and add a little bit of texture. You want to make sure that you're not painting on that. That you are not painting on wet paint. When we do this project, you will have your own styrofoam plate. And then at the end, we'll just throw them away because we can't save these acrylics. And acrylics are a nice way to have an inexpensive paint. I'm kind of doing a layer, and then I'm going to clean my brush and go back in and do the blue. Like I do with a lot of my stuff, with you're going to outline it first. If you have a big area, I'm going right on that pencil line. Going all the way down. Finishing my tail. The nice thing about these fine brushes is you can just go all the way to just make little feather-like looking things where it creates a texture. I'm going to go around my eye, and you can paint with a curve, meaning, you know, if it's going around the eye, that is a curve, so I would not paint a straight line, I would paint a curve. You can go over that with a black. You can come back in and add, just like we did our practice paint, the brown on top to make it look like it's a speckled part of the bird. Mrs. Milligan will spray these at the end with a sealer, and they will hopefully be ready to be in the art show. Now, something that I'm going to come back in and do in a little bit, I'm probably going to stop this video because it's getting a little long, is I will, see how it's darker there? I'll add another different color. If I have a big area, I could get a bigger brush. I'm just finishing this here. If I look at it, I'm going to go back and add, I should have made my belly a little bit bigger with some brown. I'm going to clean my brush. Now around his eye, this is the one coat. You may not have time to do 2 coats on this, I'm not sure. But you could have a layer of brown for the beak, and then go back in and add some black on top of it. I'm going to go ahead and stop this video so you guys have time to paint today.